Today's message is you will never get today again. Do you guys realize that? Oh, I know it's so cheesy. I get it, but it's true, you guys. We won't get this day again. And what does that even mean? Lady, what does it even mean? It means to cherish it. Seriously, to cherish it. I took my kids to Fun Spot a couple days ago, and they're getting so much big. I took my camera out and I did video and photos, and like looking back, it's like, wow, my kids are growing up right before my eyes, and I made sure that I cherished that time with them at Fun Spot, and I try to do so every day. Not perfect at it, but point being is like they're growing. We only get them for 18 years, and some of you moms are like, it couldn't go any faster. Hurry the hell up. I get that. I totally understand. I was there one point in time too, but with the conscious life and with the CEO SAHM life, and as your inner life gets really, really good, I promise you won't feel that way. You won't feel so frustrated by being a stay-at-home mom. If you are, you might be a mom like me who really enjoys it. The point being is we won't get today again. And CEO and CEO SAHM is conscious executive order, your ability to view life consciously and make choices that pattern interrupt so that your life can go in the direction it wants, so that you can be a mom who's free of anxiety, a mom that's free of depression, a mom that's happy with her partnership and marriage, a mom that's financially prospering with wealth creation, a mom that loves her kids and is just thriving all the way around. It's not a dream, it's very, very real, and it starts with the mornings. So good morning, SAHMs. Cherish today. Try to milk those little moments, those little cute moments, things that your kids do at this stage of life that they won't be doing at later stages of life. I'll share one thing with you before I go, is I keep squeezing my son's cheeks and really like touching my son's face because I already see that I'm right at the precipice of not being able to do that anymore, and so every time I hug them a little closer or I squeeze their face a little. You know how us moms do, because I'm milking it, because I know, give it another year. And already when I tell my sons, Mommy loves you, my baby, they speak up. Mommy, I'm not your baby, I'm your big boy, and they're right, they are. But you see, if that phase is passing, I'll never get this age again, and I do not want to take that for granted at all. I cannot go back in time and fix anything, especially with their memories. So I cherish them now, I correct them now, so that they don't become an adult like me, where I had to reprogram my whole childhood because it was anything but. You know what I'm saying, Mom? So we have that opportunity now to wake up and not mess things up and to really cherish it. And so everyone enjoys it. So I wanted to bring you that message. Good morning, good morning, good morning, SAHMs. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys at 8 a.m. tomorrow.